Today, I'm going to show you how to create animations in Canva using just your phone. It's actually a lot of fun, so let's get started. First, let's open the Canva app. Tap the Create button at the bottom, then select the Video option and then choose the landscape video size. This will open up a fresh workspace for us. Now let's start adding our elements. Tap Elements at the bottom and in the search bar I'm going to type Airport because I want to create a simple airport animation. Under the graphics section, look for a good background. I'll go with this, one of an airport terminal interior, and set it as my background. Next, let's add a walking character. Back in the Elements section, type Man Walking. Now, here's a tip. Open the animation filter and select Animated. This will show you elements that already have their own movement. I'll pick this character who is already in a walking motion. To make him actually move across the screen, tap on him and from the bottom menu, select Animate. Then choose Custom and tap Create an Animation. Now, using your finger, simply drag the character steadily across to the other side. Canva will record this path, making it look like he's really walking through the airport. You can even adjust the movement styles, choose between original, smooth, or steady, and use the speed slider at the bottom to make the movement look perfect. Now let's add more life to the scene. I'll add another traveler walking with a suitcase. Just like before, I'll place him at the edge of the background and use Create an Animation to make him move across. I'll also add a man standing over here. Now when you play the scene, you can see everyone moving naturally in the terminal. You can get really creative here by adding text or any other details you like. Now let's add a new background for a second scene. I'll pick this image of someone looking out a window at the airport and set it to fill the entire page. To make this scene more dynamic, tap Animate at the bottom and choose one of the ready-made presets. I'll go with Tectonic. Next, let's add a plane from the Elements section. Canva has plenty of them. I'll place it here in the sky. I'll make sure it's lined up correctly in the timeline at the bottom. And then, using the same Create an Animation steps, I'll make the plane fly across the sky. Remember, if you don't like how the movement looks, you can always delete the animation and try again until it's just right. This was a quick introduction to making animations on your phone with Canva. Of course, if you can't find the exact element you need, you can always upload your own drawings and animate them too. And that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.